Now, let's read through this. Look at the documents in your notes. It says sales order. Sales order, the list of goods ordered by the customer along with the prices to be charged. Even if a customer has submitted their own purchase order, a sales order will be prepared since they are pre-numbered and make it possible to periodically account for the orders to be sure they were processed. So again, pre-printed, pre-numbered. Bill of lading, the shipping document that is signed by the carrier, usually a trucker, accepting goods from the shipping clerk. Sales invoice, the bill that is prepared and sent to the customer after the shipment request. Before doing so, the billing clerk should compare the sales order and the bill of lading. So the billing clerk compares the sales order and the bill of lading. That was this person, billing, compares these two. Sales register, sales journal, a book in which sales invoice information is posted. What is another word for posting? Recording. So whenever you see the word posted or recorded, recorded is posted, posted, recorded. Remember that, very important term. Cash register records provide similar information if it's a retail store. Subsidiary receivable ledger, a book that lists the outstanding receivables. Remittance advice, the document included in an envelope with the check to indicate the purpose of the check. Remittance listing, a summary of the money received that day. They may be called a pre-list in some cases and is prepared by the employee first receiving the cash, usually the mailroom clerk. Cash receipts journal, a book in which remittance listings are posted. So we post the listing in the posted, recorded. A deposit slip, signed document, and bank rec comparison, book to physical. Now, as we're looking through this, we're going to cover terms in audit evidence a couple of sections down the road. And we're going to have the words tracing and vouching. Let me put it right here. Tracing, vouching. All right, this is tracing, this is vouching. Tracing means you're tracing in the normal flow. You trace from the source into the books and records. What does it tell you? That the transaction was complete. So it relates to the assertion of completeness. So what does that mean? What was ordered was shipped, was billed, was received, was recorded, was reconciled. Okay. Vouching is the opposite. This, instead of completeness, this is existence or occurrence. So the assertion of existence or occurrence. So let's say you're looking and you see an account receivable in the book. So remember I said that tracing is source into the books. Vouching is books back to the source. So in the books, I have an account receivable. I want to make sure this receivable actually exists and the sale actually occurred. That means going this way. So you can see tracing is this way from the source into the books. Vouching is from the books back to the source. We're going to go over this a few more times, but I just want to plant the seed in your head now so you understand tracing, vouching. Tracing, source into books, vouching, books back to source. Okay. Nicht so schlabby. All right, so that's how it's kind of going. This is existence occurrence. They like to test this. Existence occurrence. This is completeness. Those relate to assertions that we're going to cover down the road.